Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Anand Singh and I'm a business and management consultant in Dubai. We provide business set of services, corporate services, management consulting. What are the document required, how much time it takes, what are activity they can get, or what type of license they can get it, how much cost is involved, and what benefit they get it. These are the major questions. Whenever we receive inquiry from the investor from the different countries, these are the major key points which they raises and they need clarification or they need more information. So I thought to have a detailed discussion on the same, so that as much as I can cover the topic and give you more information related to the business setup in Dubai. Let's start. Before starting, one request: if you like my content, if you like my video, request you kindly like it and subscribe it, so that in future whenever we upload our video, you can get the notification for a view. Thank you so much, friends. Let's start. First question, of course, is what nature of business they can have, what type of license they can have it. Here again, depend on the businessmen and investors whether they want what business activity they want. But mainly we classified into mainland, free zones, and offshores. Mainland is again is a LLC license, limited liability or professional license. But there we have UAE National as a partner, 15% in limited liability company of mainland, and 49 will be on expatriate shareholding. It could be a trading, it could be general trading, or it could be industrial license or manufacturing license or commercial license. In this, 51% will be shareholding on UAE national name and 49 will be on expatriate name from any country. Professional license in million, they can have 100% ownership by all the expatriates on professional license. Now, professional license activities like management consulting, we have marketing management, we have IT consulting, we have bookkeeping, accounting, auditings, these are the professional license under like a mainland. They can have a visa, they can do local business on mainland, they can they can import, re-export to the different people, they can be a distributor for many business, many products. There is no restriction that you can be a distributor for many products, there is no restriction. Now, free zone license, almost all Emirates have a free zone license as well, but there is one restriction: you cannot do the local distribution on the free zone license. Here is a restriction that for that you need to appoint distributor if in case you want to do the local distribution in the market on the free zone license. So that restriction is always there on the free zone. Free zone license, you can have a 100% ownership on the free zone license, and these are the more people or who are looking to import and re-export to other country, but they don't want to more business in the local market. Then free zone can be a good, best option for them. They don't focus on the local market business, only importing and re-exporting back to other countries. Then free zone can work out for best for them. They can get a visa, they can do their business, they can get a bank account and everything on free zone as well. Now, offshore company, basically in this, people who are looking a license and bank account and they want to do the business out of UAE. They don't want to do any business in UAE market inside UAE. So offshore can be best option for them in case if they want. So, but basically here you are doing business on offshore license outside of UAE. You are not doing any business inside the UAE, because on this offshore you cannot do local invoicing, local transaction. You cannot do the bank account. You cannot have a visa on this license. So in case in future, in case you required visa, resident visa, so you cannot get on the offshore. For that again you have to incorporate a company, either a mainland license or it could be a free zone license. So these are the three categories, basically mainland, free zone and offshore, in which you can be have a commercial license or professional license or manufacturing or industrial license. You can have it. Now, next question is how much time it takes. Basically, now different free zone have a different time slab, mainland have a different time slab. Again, depend on activity, nature of activity, basically. Now, for trading, general trading and professional license, process can be finished in 10 to 12 working day with your partner visa, license, everything. But in industrial license and manufacturing license, it requires more time because there is an external approval required in the same. A different authority will be there, so it takes some time, maybe around 20 to 25 days on an average, depending on how fast we can get the external approval from the different authorities for industrial and manufacturing license. For again restaurant, we have a different requirement from the municipalities as well. So it takes some time, maybe a month or 1.5 months for a restaurant, because we need to create file, and we have to submit to the municipality for an approval for fit out work, interiors. They have certain technical points to be covered, and that we have to be keep as per the rules and regulation of healthcare hygiene factors from the municipality food and control department. Different this activity require different time frame. Now the costing is again a big. Always, investors ask how much cost us. Depend whether they are looking for a free zone license, what business activity they want to perform it, or they are looking for a mainland license. Obviously, and how many visa they need it. Now in free zones, basically, if you say it's economical in compared to mainland, but again, how many visa they need it. Whether if they require one visa, two visa, three visa, or five visa, accordingly license costs differ in free zone to free zones. But on an average, with one visa, one partner investor visa license, it costs roughly around 20 to 22,000 dirham approximately in free zones for commercial, or it could be trading, general trading, or professional license. But again, it differs slightly from free zone to free zones. So whenever a client inquire, we clarify which free zone we understand, trying to understand the need, and then we have a discussion. We give the solution for the requirement. Mainly again, depend whether they need a general trading, a professional license, or industrial or manufacturing license. Cost is totally depend, because on the license, again, how big office they need it, whether they need for a communication point, or they need exclusive office, or they need a bigger office, or they need a warehouse. Objective again depend what nature of business they want to perform it. But however, on an average for general trading license, it costs them for one investor visa, immigration card, and license, and economical office, it costs roughly around 40 to 45,000 dirham approximately. But provided again, office again is a costing, because depend on their requirement and which location they need it. So that's also a key factor. But on an average, 40 to 45,000, we can look for a general trading license. It costs roughly around 35,000 dirham approximately with one investor visa. We can have a trading license. Now professional license, like corporate services, IT consulting, with one visa, partner visa, it costs roughly around 22,000 dirham approximately. Professional license again, but again costing differ from activity to activity, and what kind of license you need, whether it's required a mainland license or free zone license, again depend on the client's needs and requirement. When you do the interaction on that time, obviously clarify how much it costs. This basic requirement. Document is very straightforward. We need it from them is of course a passport copy. We required their visitor visa or tourist visa. We require 3 company name which they want to keep for their company, minimum 3 to 5 at least we require, so that in case if name is already existing, we try to get the different name matching the best possible match, we can get it for them. For the trade name, we require the photographs of course, but we need the photograph for their visas, resident visa as well. So yes, we can provide. Some free zones they require a basic CVs as well. Free zones, basic KYC of the client, what is experience they have it, communication detail or email ID or address, residing address, permanent address, explicit basic QIC of the clients. Some free zones need it from the investors. Now these are the 4-5 point. I'm sure most of the investor while watching the video they can get clarification. But however, you can always reach our company. Description is will provide in the link description, so that you can have easily accessibility as well. Now the main factor is what all benefit a client get it, because these are the questions which ask why should we invest into UAE market and Dubai market. Well, if I have to tell you, firstly, most benefit the client get is tax-free income. Here is a zero rated tax, no corporate tax, no income tax. That means it's a huge saving. Now every country have their own tax slab. It's a corporate tax, different income tax. Now for example, if I may have to tell you $1 million as a benefit or profit, so it's a tax-free year. If you compare to other country, even if you have a 20%, 25 or 30% slab, depend on country to country, here you are getting tax free. There is no tax on corporate, there is no income tax, no corporate tax. So that means upfront, even if you take as an average around 20% is your money. $1 million profit is a 20% less. Assume for examples is around $200,000 is your saving when you do all your business over here in UAE, because no corporate tax, no income tax. But in other countries, majority of the countries, they have on their tax slab. So yes, you can calculate accordingly as per your country. So how much you are paying on the taxes into different countries. Here, obviously for that you have to be, every country have their own sets of non-resident clause. you have to fulfill it accordingly so that you can get the benefit of zero corporate tax and income tax. That's most benefit any investor can have it. Second is the best infrastructure. You can look at high standard of living. When I say best infrastructure, we have a good, you can say high-rise building. We have a shopping mall. We have entertainment sources, beaches. You have many commercial buildings, many innovative product in the market. We are upgraded with latest technology. Safety is there again, which is most benefit. Infrastructure with the safety, people are happy living over here. Then we have best healthcare segment. You can witness many big brand from the different international market, whether it's a European or Western or Asian big healthcare. They have their clinics or hospitals or polyclinics, dental clinics. The big doctors over here or they're having. So yes, you are getting a best of the best healthcare segment facilities over here. Education system, again from the different brands, big brands from the different market, whether European curriculum or Western curriculum. We have big schools, kindergartens, high schools, colleges. From you take a big name, they have the exclusive big campus over here. So in again, education system is very good, which every parent love to have it for their kids and children. Especially a good education system is very strong over here. And the banking again is we have the robust banking system, central bank guidelines. We have it very strong. We can have a multiple currency bank account for our business. It could be dollar denomination bank account, euro, pounds, or local AED currency. You can have it. And there is no restriction on repatriations of the funds. So whatever your profit you want to repatriate to your home country, you're free to do. There is no restriction on that. And ease of doing business, of course. Whatever you needed services, obviously you get on time. It's a hassle-free and timely manner. That's how we do the consulting. We do the advising to the client, so that it's a cost-effective manner and time-effective manner, time-bound basically. When I say time effective, obviously we say this much of time frame is required, so we finish on that time, so that we try to match with the international customer satisfaction level as well. Obviously, these are the benefit what client get it by investing in Dubai and UAE market, and these are the huge benefit. When I again saying is the tax free, zero rated tax, no corporate tax, no income tax. Only VAT is there, which every country have it, which is around 5% in UAE. We have a value added tax, which is again on the consumption. Whatever you buy, you pay a VAT on that 5%. But there is no corporate tax, no income tax. I'm stressing again and again. It's a huge saving for any investors. Again, you get international branding. Whenever you say a valuation, whenever you want to do the branch of foreign company, or you want to do subsidiary of foreign company, the valuation, how it differ whenever you have like an international location, you can do that. So these are the benefit what client can get it by setting up business in UAE and Dubai. And we at BCM Corporate Services LLC, our company, which is BCM Corporate Services LLC, we provide A to Z services from starting to end, all the solution to the client. We do licensing, we do all your resident visas, we take all external approval for your business, hassle free and timely, effective, and the cost effective manner, so that our customer satisfaction is utmost priority. Our website detail is mentioned in the description, which is www.branches.ae. It's a branches.ae. In description is clearly mentioned our link. You can go on that link and you can have the accessibility to our website. Our email ID is mentioned, which is info@branches.ae. Is again info@branches branches.ae. You have mentioned in the description as well. You can inquire through that, or you can reach us on our mobile number, which is +971, which is the country code 50258591 is our mobile number. You can feel free to reach us or WhatsApp us. Our other number is +971, again country code 506639697 is our mobile number. WhatsApp number again. You can inquire or call us on that as well. Feel free to reach us so that we can give you best possible information and try to provide solution for your requirement for your business setup services in Dubai. Thank you so much, friends, for watching me on in this video. And you might have got all the information which you might be having in your mind, the questions. And still, if you feel that you require more clarification, feel free to reach us so that I can provide you best of the best solution. And thank you so much. Like us, our video, and subscribe. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you so much.